In March 2026, Amazon's online store stopped taking orders for 6 hours. No checkout, no prices, one of the biggest stores on earth, down. The cause, in Amazon's own words, an engineer followed advice that an AI agent had pulled from an outdated internal wiki. The agent didn't question where its answer came from. It pulled guidance from a wiki nobody had updated and acted on it as if it were still true. That's the trap with AI. It's great at giving you an answer. It's terrible at telling you which conditions that answer depends on. And the picture that lays those conditions out, every question, every branch, every recommendation, is the one your AI almost never draws. It's called a decision tree. A flowchart shows how your app runs. A decision tree shows how it chooses. You answer questions about your situation, and it points you to one recommendation. You don't read the whole tree. You read your path. The one line from the top question down to a box at the bottom. That box is the recommendation. Here's a real one. Your AI suggests an action. Should you just run it? Top question. Is the advice current, based on something true today? If no, like Amazon's expired wiki, the tree says, stop, re-verify first. A whole branch the agent skipped. If yes, is it reversible? If you can undo it, let it run. If you can't. One more question. Is this production? If not, try it in staging. If it is, require a human to sign off. 3 questions, 4 different recommendations. Nothing here is the answer. The tree doesn't tell you what to do. It tells you what to do given your situation. Change one condition and you land somewhere else. Now here's Amazon's path. Is the advice current? Nobody asked. The agent read the wiki, called it current, and went straight to act. The first question, skipped, was the one that mattered. You don't need to read code to catch that. You read the tree and ask, which condition put us here, and is it actually true? So 3 things, and you can read any decision tree. Start at the top question. Every branch is a condition about your case. Follow your answers down to one recommendation. And if you don't like where you landed, check the condition that sent you there. Your AI gives you answers. It's on you to ask what they depend on. The sequence diagram, the flowchart, and now the decision tree. Go read your software. See you next time.